Hey everybody, it's me, pt2, and I will be playing again, H.I.D.E. Well, not really H.I.D.E. Like, look at that. Y'all can just read that. And yes, you see that it's not really called H.I.D.E. It's more of, it's high, but there's dots in between the letters. And I'm just gonna play, and there's gonna be ads, because I don't know how to edit. So y'all are gonna see a lot. You guys are gonna have to wait, see ads, and I'm very sorry about that. I just can't edit. And I've said it a million times. I'll say it again, and I'll say it a million times. And when I get popular, I don't know what to say, but alright, this time I'm gonna be using the worst weapons I have. Yep, the worst weapons as Hunter. And yeah, this is gonna be a little tricky. It's like, I don't, oh right, the TV. Alright. Grenade. Ooh. Nice. I'm good at this game. I'm really good at this game. Reload. Oh. Oh, he was out in the other room. Right. What? There you go. I'm really good at this game. Looks like a genius. I'm a genius in this game, baby. You don't mess with me, Mike. You don't mess with me. Okay. Where is he? Dude. What the heck, bro? If it ain't gonna work, what is gonna work? Dude. Well, oh, we just need to blow up every part of the thing, and we're good to. Alright. Dude. Alright, let's go. I'm a genius. A genius.
The itch is what gets you. That's when you know
I
something's
don't
about to happen.
care. Okay, I'm joking. I don't know what that ad was all about anyway. Pretty sure it's about... I don't know. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. I'll say it again, and I'll say it a million times. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna do that. If I could just get real freaking music. Alright. I like this stage. I love it. There's a reason why. Y'all might get a little bored. Because something's gonna happen which I don't understand. Huh?
Come here.
Where?
I can.
Oh no. Okay. Gosh dang it! Oh! Dang it! Gosh. Oh! You've gotta be kidding me. Oh. I just, okay. Yeah. Yeah, if you like me being Hunter, sorry, buddy. But I am a little, sometimes when I lose as, I don't know. I never lose as a Hunter, never. I never lose as a Hunter. If I ever lose as a prob, I get mad and I quit. I get out the game when I'm Hunter. And then how do I explain? I go back to find another game. You could just I press play. And why am I even explaining this, dude? Why am I even explaining? I am so sorry. I just tried to explain that when y'all saw it. I'm so dumb. Can't believe I just said. Dang it. Like, gosh! Oh, look. You hear that? And I meant to be little, so it's a little harder. Yeah, can't. Because, gosh. Oh, I forgot about this. Oh no. I can't hear anything. Oh, no. This is bad. This is really bad. Ah! Dang it! Like me better? Like this rapper. Rip this rapper. That's the word I meant. My bad. Yeah, y'all like that ASMR? Yeah, that was weird. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm not gonna quit this time.
We'll be ready in 10
I promise. What is that stuff? Seriously? Yo. This game's pretty nice. I've never... Where is that place? Hold on. Let me turn into something tiny. Kind of like... I swear the glitch was there. Now I can't find the room. Oh no. There it is. This is why. The reason why I like this room... Because of this. I swear, I don't know how. Alright, let me watch. Let me show you. And then look. I just fall. And I'm gone. Like, I can't go back. Oh. Dude, look where I just got to, bro. I can't hear my game because I'm screen recording, obviously. I hope that's not loud enough. I hope it's not loud. Bro, it doesn't even matter at this point. At this point, I'm stuck. Like, I'm still falling. Like, I know I'm still falling. I could tell. Like, I could tell. Dude, I'm literally stuck. They can't get me. That's why I like the stage. Ooh, next time I like getting the stage and I'm a pro. I should tell everyone to follow me. And then, they would turn into the thing I'm in. And then they go, and we all fall and be. Like, dude, that would be insane. Insanity. Bro, I like this stage. I love it. I should probably make better titles for my videos. It's just me playing something like me playing Among Us, pt3, 4, whatever. I'm a genius. Though I wish I could get back though. Bro. I'm still falling. Like, I know I'm still falling. I'm a genius. Yep, sorry about that. Alright, I'm just gonna end it here. Alright, bye everyone. See you tomorrow or next video.